as a person, what drives you? What drives you? Who you are, and how you're going to bring that to the Court of Appeal by way of telling us your relevant experience, skills, knowledge, or what I would call the value you're going to hand to the Court of Appeal.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Chacha Mwita. They like calling me Chacha Mwita. I don't know why they removed Enoch. I'm a judge of the High Court, currently serving at the Constitutional and Human Rights Division, where I'm also the presiding judge. I was admitted as an advocate in 1991, having completed my LLB degree and training at the Kenya School of Law. Practiced it for a number of years before I joined the judiciary in 2014. So since that time, I've acted as a judge in various stations within the judiciary, starting with Kakamega, where I started off as a judge in the Environment and Land Court, serving Kakamega and the Vihiga counties. Following the decision in the Karisa Chengo case, I went back to the High Court, where I've been since. From Kakamega, I came to the Constitutional and Human Rights Division at Nairobi as the presiding judge, where I again worked up to 2019, February, and I left for Kajiado again as the presiding judge. Kajiado, I worked there. After some years, I was transferred back to Nairobi in the Money Commercial and Tax Division, so one of the judges in the division, where I worked again up to September 2023, when I went back to the Constitutional Division of the High Court as the presiding judge. So I'm serving my second stint at the Constitutional and Human Rights Division. In terms of experience, the number of years I've put in the judiciary has exposed me and given me experience that is needed in the Court of Appeal. I've been able to demonstrate the ability to work as a hard-working judge, the ability to meet timelines, the ability to do even more complex cases under very difficult circumstances without winning. What I mean is without complaining. Sometimes you work throughout the day, throughout the week, and the following day you have to deliver a decision. The kind of work that I've been able to churn out demonstrates itself. And I'm one judge who believes that, as Justice Sach said, a good judge doesn't have to announce himself. His judgments will travel across the world. My judgments, Chair, have traveled across the world. And sometimes I'm surprised when I'm doing my own research to find my judgment in a website where I'm asked to subscribe to just get my own decision. It shows that the work I do travels the world and creates what we call pollination in jurisprudence across the world. So, that said, I'm a hard-working judge, I'm a patient judge, and a listening judge. Sometimes, to a fault, that someone may assume I'm not a judge. I'm simple and just hard to work. The Court of Appeal, unfortunately, needs people who can work. I'm one judge who will walk to the Court of Appeal tomorrow and be assigned duty in a roster, and I will work. This is demonstrable from the number of years I've done and the number of benches I've been able to sit on and the decisions that have come out from those benches. I do not need to be taken on an introduction on how to sit on a bench. That's within me, that's in my DNA, and that's what I intend to bring to the Court of Appeal. Thanks, Chair.